So today we're going to learn a new across the floor number 2, that's going to have some new steps in it that will help you eventually when we start our combination. So stay tuned. I will be telling you the names of these steps and you'll have them ready to go. We start with our backs to the students because you learn your right is my right, and that's the way we're going to learn. Today you're going to be reversing the combination, so whatever we do on the right side, you're going to be doing on the left and videotaping yourself. So we're going to start with our right foot on the walk, and we're going to start with a grapevine step. And a grapevine step is a side, back, side, front step. Again, make sure your feet are turned out so that you can step side, back, side, front. One more time. Side, back, side, front. Good. Let's try it syncopated. So we're going to add the and in here, and we're going to have 1, 2, and 3. Again, that fast. 1, 2, and 3. One more time. 1, 2, and 3. From here, you're going to go into a soutenu turn. So you've done the soutenu turn before, and you've seen it. That's where it's going to be. So from here, we're going to do a kick, ball, change. One more time. Kick, ball, change. Kick, ball, change. From here, we're going to go into a releve, retire with the left. Again, releve, retire with the left. Let's put that all together. So we have 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. Going on, we're going to have side 1, another step behind 2, soutenu 3, 4, and then you're going to have the jazz square from last across the floor. 5, 6, 7, 8. And then you're ready to start the other side, which you'll do. Let's put that all together a little faster. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Faster still. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's add some shoulders and arms. So the shoulders are going to go 1, 2, and 3. Then 4, 5, you're going to do your soutenu turn. Let's try the shoulders with the grapevine. 1, 2, and 3. For the soutenu turn, you're going to take your left arm and comb your hair back like this. 4, 5. Your hands are going to then come to first position, and you're going to go to third on the kickball change. 6 and 7. So 2 third positions. Again, 6 and 7. And then 8, you're going to have your hands in first position. Let's try that with the legs. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. Again, a little slower. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. Going on. From here, you're going to go 1, 2, then you're going to comb your hair forward. 2, 3, and then you're going to have your jazz square go 5, opposite arm to leg, 6, 7, 8. Again, jazz square, opposite arm to leg, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's put the whole thing together with arms and legs together. A little faster. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hold. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Forgot the arms there. Let me try it again. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I think I'm getting a little fast on my jazz square. Let me try it one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you can take longer on that second Sudanu turn. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that's the routine for this week. We'll add it to music in a moment.